This six-part Isuzu Connect tutorial series focuses on basic use of a non-customized Isuzu Connect portal to request policy or goodwill consideration from your Isuzu District Service and Parts Manager. Part 1. How Isuzu Service Managers that are first-time users can log into Isuzu Connect by using their email they provided in Go Isuzu. Isuzu Service Managers that are first-time users can log into Isuzu Connect by using their email they provided in their Go Isuzu profile. First, begin by logging into Go Isuzu. Once logged into Go Isuzu, you may need to click the See All to see the appropriate links. Find the Isuzu Connect portal link and click on it. You will now be directed to the Isuzu Connect login page. Find the Login button on the upper right-hand corner and click on it. Find the Forgot Password button and click on it. Enter in your email address that was entered into your Go Isuzu profile. Click Reset Password. As indicated, a password reset instructional email has been sent to your registered email address. Once received, open the email. Inside, you'll find a link to reset your password. Create a new password. Special note, passwords must be complex and at least 8 characters long. Passwords must include capitals, lowercase, numbers, and special characters. Click on Change Password. Congratulations, you are now logged into Isuzu Connect. Thank you for your attention in Part 1 of this Isuzu Connect tutorial series. Please click on the subscribe button below and welcome to Isuzu Connect.